Hi guys, so get ready with me for to go in my school. Not the first day. It's actually just to buy my books. So first, of course, we need some blush to cover up our face because we have like sunburn. Will be light. Okay, perfect. Now let's just do this. It's done. Okay, dali lang guys. Okay, we're ready. Now we just need let's see. Shall we put on some mascara? Oh, ow. Let's, yeah. I completely forgot I had these. Please let me get them, please. Where is mine? Whatever, I guess I gotta use this. Ouch. Perfect. Dali lang. Okay, so now we're gonna add some perfume. Oh wait, before that, let's change our clothes. I'll get ready. Bye. Guys, could you help me pick? I don't know where's my clothes. I want a cute clothes. Can you help me find one? Okay, we'll be back in a while. I just put my clothes on. Okay guys, so we're done. Now I just need to comb our hair. So we're gonna have to end the video here. So bye everyone.